No, I'm all about real estate, more specifically multifamily real estate. But let's take a look at one of my buckets that I also invest in, and I recommend anyone diversifying into a Roth 401k, Roth IRA 401k for the tax benefits, and could be just for the tax benefits. If you take a look at my balance, $166,000. I've had this account for about 9 years now. I've been maxing out the contributions for about 6 years. If you take a look at the past 3 years, an annualized rate of 8.65%. I like how they put that last 3 years. Taking a deeper look, if you look at the 5-year snapshot, an annualized rate of return of 5.4%. Again, in the last 3 years, 8.65%. In the last year, at negative 8.32%. So if I was trying to retire from last year to this year, I would not be in a great position having that annualized return of negative 8%. 401ks, Roth IRAs, great way to diversify your portfolio, great way for tax advantages, but not really a way to build financial freedom. Maybe some financial security, having a little nest egg at retirement. But for me, I would only use it as a layer of diversification for my portfolio and for those tax benefits.